Hello, I am Jyoti Kumari, Assistant Professor in RPIIT campus. So today we are going to learn about the automation. Now, the introduction of automation is that the term automation has been applied in the field of clinical laboratory science to describe the maximum use of specimen processing and equipments and reagents handling instruments to perform laboratory tests with minimum involvement of laboratory technologists. Then, automation is a self-regulating process where the specimen is accurately pipetted by a mechanical probe and mixed with a particular volume of the reagent, and the results are displayed in the digital forms and also printed by a printer. Now, these are the advantages of the auto analyzers. Large number of sample can be tested in a short time. Most of the methods performed on automation are accurate and precise, sensitive and specific. Then, although the various type of auto analyzers are expensive in the long run, they prove to be cost effective because the amount of reagent and specimen required can be as low as 100 and 5 microliters respectively. Automation allows laboratories to process much larger workload, a comparable increase in number of staff members. Then, in the case of fully automated analyzers, the laboratory staff members do not come in contact with specimens and reagents, that is biohazardous material, and hence working on these analyzers are very safe. Now, these are the disadvantages of the auto analyzers. At a time, only one type of determination was performed by a single channel continuous flow analyzer, that is plasma, glucose, or urea. This auto analyzer occupied larger space in the laboratory. So, this is all about the automation. Thank you very much.